Okay, we got some stuff packed up. This is like a light pack to bring some stuff over. We going to the house in a little. We gotta hook up the internet and stuff, so excuse the crust. Okay, so excuse my mouth, but we put some stuff in the car, but we still have stuff in here we gotta get packing. We have yet to do that. And show us what you did. No, go ahead. Show us what you, tell us what you're doing. Speak out what you're doing so we know. Who is this about?
With your kids.
Say it loud enough.
Your kids, the stuffed animals, they're going in here. Then we're going to pull them together like that.
That is abuse. That, no, you said it because you was trying to say you didn't want them to breathe.
What?
Go ahead. I'm
human.
That is mean. Wait, who? Especially who?
Dinosaur. Tell them to take that. You got it.
Oh my God, you mean. See, that's what I'm talking about. She said who she don't like, the dinosaur.
Is this yours?
No, that's yours.
This is on fan.
Wait, I think them is yours. I don't have a cake pan. I got like them circle. It's like a circle cake pan I got. It's like a Duncan Hine one or something. It's like 2 Duncan Hine ones or something. She just admitted to not liking dinosaur. Binky. She don't like him. He said that. He told me you don't like him. So we just got. Yeah, and then I got a bigger one too. She doing him wrong. She doing. What is that? Oh, y'all like those? Yeah, I'll take that if you don't want it. She do him so bad. That can be for Binky to drink his dinosaur juice out of. He gonna feel some type of way. I'll let him see this footage of how his grandma do him. I'm here. I'm about to set up the internet. But yes, y'all, I'm here. I'm about to set up the internet. I'm gonna let y'all see me. I might need my phone though, so be aware if you suddenly cut off.
I don't wanna leave. I don't wanna go. I don't wanna be. I don't wanna be. I don't wanna leave. I don't wanna go. I don't wanna be like. I don't wanna
It's hooked up. Call me Geek Squad. I got that internet hooked up, y'all. So y'all, we finally opening this up to see what it's gonna do. Let's pray with the crock pot. What you think, Mama?
We got
my mic was on the whole time.
I think it said. Hopefully not, please.
It shouldn't.
And let's just putting up the blinds.
If you need me, call 1-800. I'm legally blind.
See, I'm legally blind. That's my story. I'm sticking to it. I'm innocent. We'll put her information on the screen.
First things first, let me get that introduction. We on the long road to sell. Do something in love, you wanna tell me nothing. Let me get this clear, 'cause I had no idea. We on a long road to sell the shit. You so in love, you ain't gonna tell me nothing. Let me get this clear, 'cause I had no idea. I feel like a bitch in love, I feel like a bitch in love. Let's get naughty, yeah, I need all. I feel like a bitch in love, I feel like a bitch in love. Yeah, let's party, yeah, I need all.
Hello. Mama, what you gotta say about the refrigerator? We finna see how it look.
I know that's right.
It's getting delivered, y'all.
A pack of chickens and all that stuff you got in there
Oh yeah.
that you won't cook.
Be quiet. We're gonna have you come over here and season it and cook it.
That's all right. Chef Jasmine got that.
No, that's what you for. That's what we gonna get you for. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Oh my God. Look. Y'all, I look rough, so pay no attention to me. Okay. It's here.
The big TV coming tonight.
No, TV comes tonight, but the refrigerator's here, y'all.
So the TV, these ones bring TV over here, right?
Actually, it can probably fit in the car. It's not that big.
Oh, I thought it was big.
It's a 55, so it's not that big. Got that in there. And this in here. We're at Roses. We've been having controversy about roses. People do not know what roses is. We finna show y'all. Ain't that right, Laisha? Ain't that right, Laisha? So y'all, I've been looking so rough, but I think this will be the end of the vlog. I am currently packing, and I feel like, I think that part is just so much. I'm sorry if I'm covering the mic. Let me do this. But I'm currently packing, and me and my cousin and my aunt and my mom, we all packed up some stuff. We packed up like my clothes and like one of my dresser drawers and another one. We packed up that, and I emptied out one of these little like small little storage things. So we packed some stuff up, but I'm sorry, it just looks so rough. Like I just look thrown away. But it's just, it's stressful right now with the moving. Not stressful like in a bad sense, but I think because I've never had to move in my life. Like I've always lived pretty much at the same house for basically like, I'm 30, so I think we only moved once. So I've basically only lived in one other place, and that's it. So it's kind of feeling stressful right now because I get so overstimulated when people are like, what's next, what's next, what's next? And I really don't know, like, I don't know how to direct them. And it's crazy because, like, as a person that is a medical assistant or, you know, works in the medical field, I, you know, not necessarily like we delegate people, but sometimes as like in your medical job, you're used to like directing patients or directing people sometimes with certain jobs. Like if you're a lead medical assistant, which I was, like I would do like a lead thing sometime and be able to lead others. Not necessarily I was a lead medical assistant, but I was a training, like I used to train a lot of people, so I was able to direct them. And I just feel like I'm unorganized with this move because I don't know what to do, but I'm not beating up on myself about that because this is my first time. But I'm just scatterbrained, and I kind of feel like people are just like, what do you do next? What do you do next? I'm sorry. I'm on vacation in my head, but even though, and then like another thing too is like, I'm still working while I'm moving, so it's like, my brain is like still adjusting to like, I have to work, and then like, it's a lot, so I'm just thinking like, when it's time to go to work on Monday, if my desk isn't there, because it's raining, so I'm just like, if it rains tomorrow really bad, I might not be able to take my desk. I might just have to keep my desk here and my monitors here and just probably just use my laptop to work on Monday or Tuesday or whatever days it is. But it's going to all work out for the better. I'm just happy that, you know, everything closed and, you know, I'm moving in. I think it's going to be a long process. So I just wanted to end the vlog. And also, I was supposed to show y'all what Roses was like, but that quickly did not happen. But Roses is a good store. I just wanted to let it be known. But I'm finna KO, finna go to bed, and I'm finna try to, like, you know, knock out as much as I can tomorrow. We have long ways to go. We still got some more stuff to pack, but I got most of my wall stuff off. So everything's pretty much, I would say maybe like 45 or 50% packed up. The stuff that's not packed is my records, because I still have yet to figure out what I'm gonna do. So I just taking my time. I don't want to stress myself out, which I kind of feel like is inevitable with moving, because I just don't want to break anything, and I just kind of feel like it's still like a part of me that's like, I want to get rid of some more stuff. I don't know. But I love y'all, and I hope that this vlog is good. I'm going to try to get it out to y'all. I'm sorry if it's going to be late, but I'm going to try to get it out to y'all and get it fixed together. It may not be as funny as it usually is because this is serious business, but I'm going to try my best with the editing. As y'all can see, my eye is like extremely red on this side, so. But I love y'all, and I hope everything goes well with the move, and I hope whatever you're going through is going well too. See you in the next one. Bye.